Okay, the first step in installing with a half shelf is to use the half shelf as your guide. And I like to use the rear socket brackets just because they're much easier than having to mess with the feet and stuff. And so if you've got a decent back that you can reach with the rear sockets, I'll use that. And then after just resting it on that back shelf, which will make everything nice and level, I'll just come up here and pull this up so we just have a little bit of a reveal right here. And then slide that forward, and you can see that hole. Then we're going to simply put the screw in there, and I usually kind of bring it towards the top of the hole a little bit. And that side's done. Okay, on the hinge side, this one's a little bit trickier because we've got the door in the way here. But we'll just set this back so it's about the same distance from the front as the other slide, and then pull this forward, and then we'll just take our 1 1/4" screw, and I'll just kind of line that up so it's about halfway in the center of the stile here, and just kind of pre-drill that. Then we'll use our 1/2" spacer, set that on there. And that side's done. Okay, so now we slide the drawer in and just line up the sides here. And then I kind of put pressure on one side just to hold it together. And then slide it all the way in. And then I usually like to pull it out just to make sure that everything's lined up right. So then we push it in. All right, and now put some weight on the back, and I'll just pull it forward. And then I'll just put a screw in on either side. And then one on this side. And then just make sure everything works all right. And then I'll stick another one on each side. And that's it, we're done.